All you have to do is observe. See, if you have a good intention and a good real will, you will come. You will see what it is. So you observe. You see what is growing, what is dying. Middle of summer there will be flowers, man. It's like nearly like a desert. The roots will go so deep, Nature is amazing. So we have to learn from nature.